Hi there, Peter Vox here, and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our videos. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing or your singing, please check out the links below for more info. We'd be honored to help you or someone that you know with their singing. Let's get stuck into the next question. Will singing lessons improve my pitch and ear when I'm singing? Yes, but only if they're good quality singing lessons and the singing teacher is picking up that you're singing off pitch or out of key. So yes, but you've got to have good quality singing lessons. At Vox Singing Academy, we guarantee singing results in 3 weeks, and our #1 cardinal rule at Vox Singing Academy is that we will always make sure that you are singing in pitch and in key and hitting the right notes all the time. Because if you're not hitting the right notes, you're not going to sound great, okay? So that is the most important point at Vox Singing Academy that we focus on within our singing lessons. The next point is to mainly to sing songs that best suit your vocal range, because if you're singing a song that's too high and you're struggling with those high notes, that's when people generally go flat and are not going to hit the right notes. So singing songs that are going to best suit your vocal range is very, very important, and we really work on those two aspects here at Vox Singing Academy very, very hard. But then again as well too, on top of having a great teacher, you have to make sure that you're going home and practicing correctly. This is very, 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 very friggin' important. Because if you're not practicing correctly, you're going to be singing the songs flat, or you're singing scales at home. We record scales at Vox Singing Academy for all of our students to practice. Scales are ma with your voice, played along with the piano. If you're not practicing those correctly at home, and you're practicing them incorrectly, that's not going to help your pitch or your ear out. So practicing correctly is very important. Getting critiqued by your singing teacher to see that you're singing the right notes in your songs and scales is very important. But then also you critiquing yourself at home is so, so, so important. So, I sounded really Australian, didn't I? So, is so, 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 so important in the Queen's English. So recording yourself at home, doing your scales, but most importantly, recording yourself singing and critiquing yourself as well too. It's very, very important that you do that. And you can hear if you're not hitting the right notes or maybe doing the wrong mouth placement for the vowel or whatever it might be. But again, your singing teacher should be able to pick that up in a jiffy, very quickly in your singing lessons, and help you and critique you and fix those problems if you've got some pitching issues. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that answers your question. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will get to as many of them as I possibly can. Please keep enjoying your singing. Have fun singing. Be good to each other. Peace and out. Much love. Bye for now.